This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 5T. Now this one has been updated to Android 8.0 Oreo versus the iPhone X or the iPhone X. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Going to settings, about phone, got the Oreo on the 5T. There's nothing in the background. Let's get started with the phone app. Messaging. Maybe the 5T. Ooh, very close. Calculator. You guys be the judges. We have the clock. App Store and Play Store. Give that to the 5T. I'm gonna click on Uber and search for Uber on iOS. And leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. Give that to the 5T. Click on this one. Leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Give that to the 5T. Click on the deal of the day and leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. 5T again. The speed test app. Give this to the 10. Check the server and we're on the same one. Start out with the 10. Mario Run. 5T is loading, followed by the 10. And the OnePlus 5T takes this one. Tap to begin on both. And I'll just stop the game. Angry Birds 2. is logging in, so is the 10. And the 5T is slightly out in front, but will the iPhone X overtake it? It does not, and the 5T takes this one. Very nice. Subway Surf. Both are loading, and the iPhone X with a comeback. Tap to play on both, and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Both are loading. Oh, so close. Which one is faster here? Let's find out right now. And the iPhone X a split second quicker. Tap to play on both and leave it there. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And I think the 5T is out in front. And give this to the 5T. Twitter. Give that to the 5T. Snapchat. The 5T again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. Twitter. Ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to continue. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume. Subway Surf. Ready to resume also. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue. Mario Run. This game is proceeding. Speed test app. Ready for another speed test. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Ready to go. Still in RAM. Amazon Shopping. Still in RAM also. eBay on both. Right where we left it off. The App Store and Play Store respectively. And right on that Uber app. Very nice. The clock on both. Ready to go. Calculator. Still in RAM. The camera. The messaging app. And finally, the phone app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple ice sheep rocking your iPhone X with the notch up top, or are you team OP5T rocking your OnePlus 5T or your OnePlus 5 or even the OnePlus 3T, those phones having 8 gigs of RAM, hella memory? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.